Hi everyone, today I'm here to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2018 May-June Paper 2-1 document production part. So in this part of the question paper, they ask us that to start with the document by opening the file called J21 employee, but before that we need to prepare our evidence document with our name, center number and candidate number, and then we need to save it as with our candidate number. So we will open our evidence document here. This is the one, and then we'll save this one as with our candidate number. So insert, the information should be included like your name, center number and candidate number. So I'm just typing all the details here. That's it. Close this one, then file, save this one as, browse in the same document. I'm going to save it as a Word document. Here one of the file already available, I'm just going to replace it. Replace the existing one. So this is what I have saved. Now next step is you need to open the file J21 employee. So we will open this file J21 employee. Next step is the page setup is set A4 landscape orientation with 2 margin centimeters. Do not make any changes to these. So it means it is already done. So do not make any changes to it. And then after, save the document into your area with the name report. So you will save this file as report now. File, save as report, and then we'll save it as a Word document in the same folder. Just click on save. So it's going to save the file. And next step is evidence 1. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. So you need to go to your folder, and then you just need to click on your file, which is report, and then click on print screen. Go to your evidence document and paste this one as your evidence 1 and format. So click on crop to remove the unnecessary part of this picture so that your file name and the details are clearly visible, just like that. This is the one. So as you can see, the file name and its type is clearly visible now. Next step is place in your header automated page number left align. So we will click on insert a header with blank 3 columns. Here automated page number on the left side. So click on page number, then click on current position always, and then select the page number. And then next step they said here automated file size in kilobyte right align. So here at the right side file size we need. So we just click here, then we click on quick parts, then field, and here we have an option in the list called file size. Click here and then just click on file size in kilobyte. So this is what the file size is visible here. Then place your name, center number, candidate number, right align the footer. So we click on footer now. Here at the right side we will type our name, then center number, then candidate number. Then remove the unnecessary values, like for example if some information is written, we just need to remove that one, because here they said header, footer are displayed on every page. Yes, it is, and no other text is included in the header and footer area except these informations that they have mentioned. So we have already done with this one. Now next step is to create and store the following styles. So now we need to create some styles. So first style is called GR title. it should be with a font style serif. So the best example for serif font is Times New Roman. There are many others, but we use normally, I prefer to use Times New Roman. So we'll just go to our document here, then home. Here is the option style. Let's click here and then create a style. Name the style as they have mentioned, GR title. Modify serif font, so I will choose here Times New Roman. Yes, and then after it must be 30 point. So we select here 30, and then after it must be center align, bold and italic as well. Bold, italic, center align, and here they have said line spacing single before and after 00 spacing. So we'll click on format, paragraph, line spacing before and after 00, and then it is single. Just click on OK. OK, so a style is created. Now next style is GR subtitle. So we'll click on style, then create a style, GR subtitle. Now this one must be serif font with 18 point size, and then after it must be right align. Yeah, it must be right align, no bold, no italic, only underline, and then single line spacing before and after spacing 0. So format, paragraph, before and after spacing 0, and single line spacing. Click on OK, then click on OK again. Style is created. Now subheading style. Now so we'll click on style, then create style. We will name the style. Just click on modify, and here they have mentioned now it must be serif with 16 point this time. So 16, and center align, underline and italic they mention. So italic and underline, and after spacing they said 9. So format, paragraph, after spacing is 9 point, and the rest is the same, 0 and single line spacing. Created. Now next step is GR body. So we create one more style now with the name GR body here. So modify, and this one must be sans serif with 11 point. So I choose sans serif Arial, and then 11 point, and then they mention justified and no enhancement, no bold, no italic, and format, paragraph, and we will choose from here justified. And then next step they said here after spacing is 6. So we choose from here 6. Click on OK. OK, GR body created. And the last one is GR bullet. Now it must be serif with 14 point. So create a style, modify, serif, so Times New Roman with 14 point, and then 3 centimeter indent from left with hanging paragraph. Format, paragraph, so 3 centimeter, and here they said hanging paragraph by 3 centimeter. So just click on OK, and next step they have mentioned here all capitals and bullet shapes with the arrow. So font, it must be all capital, and bullet with an arrow just like that. Yeah, and no other enhancement is done, sorry. And then single line spacing and before and after 0 spacing. So paragraph, all the other is 0 and single line spacing. Sorry, I need to change this one again to hanging paragraph of 3. Click on OK. And one more thing, alignment, we will choose this one to 0. We have nothing to do with this one. Click on OK and check again, cross check. Yeah, correct. then just click on OK. So a style is created here, and next step they have mentioned here that take a screenshot to show the style setting have been defined for GR subhead. So we need to right click on subhead, modify, and we'll print screen this one, and we will paste this one as our evidence number 2. Format, and we will just crop it like that and make this one bigger now. And next step is display these custom style name as a list in the style manager organizer. Provide screenshot evidence and that the style has been created. It means you need to go to your document here and we'll click on this button, so you will get the the style manager, and we'll just paste this one into your evidence document as evidence 3. It's done. Now format and crop this one now to remove the unnecessary part of the picture, so a screenshot is now clearly visible. And now we have next, at the start of the document you need to enter this title, so we need to get this one and we'll paste it at the start of the document, and then we will apply to it the GR title style. So we select this one and we will apply to it GR title, just like that. And next is enter your name immediately after the subtitle edited by, and then your name, and then apply to it GR subtitle style. So we just edited by, and then we type our name, and then we select this one and apply to it subtitle style, just like that. And next step is to apply the GR body style to the rest of the document. So from this point till the end we apply the GR body style to our document. And then they said change the page layout from the subheading the skills gap following the text into 2 equally spaced columns with 2 cm space between them. So skills gap onward, from this point until the end we will change this one to the equally spaced columns, more columns. Then we need to click on 2 and then just click on 2, space between them, and click on OK. This is how it will look like now. And then next step they said apply the GR bullet style to the list communication till enthusiasm. So select from this one and then select this one and then just click on home and apply the bullet style to it. So this is how it will look like. And next step is identify the 8 subheading in the document and apply the GR subhead style to each one. So you will choose these heading styles, the 8 headings, like this one, then this one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and will apply to it the subheading style, just like that. Next step they have mentioned here, using the data in the file J21 skills, you need to create a vertical bar graph. So we need to go to our files here, J21 skills. We need to create a vertical bar graph for the data skills shortage vacancies by percentage only. So shortage vacancies by percentage only. So just select this one and then percentage, and then click on insert a vertical bar graph, just like that. Then after, label the chart with the title types of skill in short supply. So we need to click here. We will enter this text as a heading. Then format the axis value scale to display maximum value 0.48 and increment 0.06. So we need to click here and right click, format axis. So the maximum value is, as they have said, 0.48 and of increment 0.006, just like that. Done. Click on close. This is how it will look like. And next they have mentioned here, display the data labels above each bar, and then do not display a legend. So we need to display data label above each bar. Select this one, then design. Here we have add chart data labels, so outside at the end, just like that. And then they said insert the chart after the paragraph ending skills as being in short supply. So we'll click here, copy this one, and we'll go to our document here. Here we need to enter the chart. So chart is pasted here, and then next step they have mentioned here, make sure the chart is displayed in a width of a column. All labels are displayed in full. So all the labels are displayed, and then after, import the image J218 volunteer.jpg below the head subheading volunteering projects. So we need to move to the here, insert picture, then desktop to our folder, and this picture, insert it, and then they say format the size of the picture that it is resized to 2.5 centimeter wide. So width they want 2.5. That's all. And then it is aligned to the left margin at the top of the paragraph starting many employees. So we will click here, then we have an option called Extrap Square. Close this one. So you can just arrange this one like that. And then after the text wrap around the image, it is already done. Then format the paragraph that start a worker with indicate so that it is indented by 2 centimeters from both the left and right hand margin. So paragraph a worker with this one till here, this paragraph indented by 2 centimeters from both left and right. Paragraph indentation 2, done. And then display an external 3 to 4 point black border. Then here we have border, so we will just go to the border and shading option, and then to the text, a border with 3 to 4, so we can choose this one as well. Yes, a box around, we just right click, and here not box, we just right click, and then we click on paragraph. That is correct. Here border to the text in the box, so we just Yeah, so we just need to select the border and then 3 pixel, and then we click here paragraph, just click on OK. So this is done, and next just hit apply light gray 10 to 25% background to it. So we'll click on shading here, or we can just choose one of them, for example, or just here we select this one and we will fill it with 10 to 20%, that is enough, 25. And then after, next step is spell check and proofread the document and make sure there is no widow and orphan. So we just need to press F7 button from the keyboard to check if there is some. So that is skill development programs will, yeah, so that need to be corrected. Programs, yes, change with programs and click on OK. So the spelling and grammar check is complete here. Yeah, next step is to print. Yeah, we need to print only, but we need to just cross check if there is something missing now. But we are just cross checking here. But if you look at the document here, this one must be 3 centimeter, I guess. Yeah, so just 1 minute, modify this one, format, paragraph. Yeah, we just choose from here 3 centimeters, much better. And this one, if you just leave it like this, even doesn't matter. Click on OK. Okay, so this is how it will look like. So that's the end of your document part. Hope you have learned how to deal with the document and how to change the layout of the document into columns with equal space between them, inserting images and creating charts as well. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in next video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.